Hello, this is Ross Contino from Bites Bread and Barbecue. We're proud to announce that our Bites Brew division has revealed a new Java app that will take any bread recipe and convert it to a Poolish recipe. So if you head on over to our website at Bites Bread and Barbecue, you will find that at the top of the menu here, there's a marker that says Poolish Maker. If you go to that, it loads a page and you come down and you will see that there is actually a calculator embedded into the website from Bites Brew where you can either use grams and milliliter or cups and teaspoons. And for example, if we take my quick artisan bread recipe and put in the 3 cups of flour and the 1.5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, and we hit convert to Poolish, it'll create instructions on what to do, where you would take on day 1, you would take 1 cup of flour with 1 cup of water and a small pinch of yeast, and you would let that ferment overnight for about 12 hours. And then on the second day, you would take the remaining ingredients from the bread and mix it together with the Poolish, and then proceed for the instructions that were in the original recipe. And underneath here, we go through a little bit about what it means for hydration and what the Poolish does. In addition, I also have a blog post on the website that will tell you why every baker should use a Poolish to give you a pre-ferment and what the advantages are for flavor, structure, and health benefits. So it's just a little way to try a little different technique in baking your bread that would enhance your flavor. I also find that a lot of people talk about using a Poolish the same way my computer friends talk about using Arch Linux. If you found this helpful, I will provide a link in the description below. I'm currently in the process of moving from one domain server to another, so it's on a temporary site, but you can still play with it. And when the final destination is there, I will change the link in the description, but you can go ahead and play with it now. If you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. It helps me with YouTube, and thanks for stopping by at Bites Bread and Barbecue. See you later.